In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Chase online banking information into QuickBooks by downloading your financial data into CSV or QBO format and then uploading it directly into the QuickBooks Banking tab. Let's begin by accessing your Chase online banking account. First, you'll want to log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your account overview page. This page provides a summary of all your accounts linked to Chase, including checking, savings, and credit card accounts. From this page, you'll be able to decide which account's transactions you would like to download. Now, look for the option named Download Account Activity or Export, which is typically located near the Account Summary section. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose a file format. Here, you'll want to select either CSV or QBO format, depending on your preference and compatibility with QuickBooks. After selection, you may need to specify the date range for the transactions you wish to download. Make sure the date range you select includes all the transactions you desire to analyze or record. Once you've set your preferences, click on the download button. The file will then be downloaded to your computer, which you can typically find in your designated downloads folder. The next step is to upload this file into QuickBooks. Launch QuickBooks and navigate to the Banking tab, which is usually found at the top of the interface. Within this tab, you'll see the option to add, link, or upload a file. You'll want to choose Upload from File. Clicking on this will prompt a window to open on your screen, where you'll be asked to select the file you just downloaded. Locate your file from the Downloads folder, and once selected, click on the Open button to proceed. As you're working in QuickBooks, you'll now see an import screen that will walk you through the process of uploading the file and mapping the information correctly. Pay close attention to the prompts because getting this right is crucial for ensuring your finances are correctly recorded in your QuickBooks account. This is often an automated process, yet it's beneficial to double check that the columns and data mappings align correctly with your expectations. You may need to match categories from Chase to QuickBooks so they align well with your bookkeeping system. Finally, complete the upload by confirming the data transfer is correct and by saving or finalizing the operation in QuickBooks. Your Chase Bank transactions should now appear under the appropriate accounts within QuickBooks' Banking tab, allowing you to review and match them easily. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly track and manage your financial data from Chase through QuickBooks, making your financial planning simpler and more organized. Stay tuned for more